Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Google Wallet on desktop. So let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the official BlueStacks website at www.bluestacks.com. Download the latest version of BlueStacks for your operating system, whether it's Windows or macOS, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. Once BlueStacks is installed and launched, you'll be taken to the home screen of the emulator. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in with your Google account, just like you would on a regular Android device. This will allow you to access the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. After signing in, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Wallet. Once you find it, click Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Google Wallet app icon on your BlueStacks home screen. Click on it to launch the app. From here, you can set up your Google Wallet just like you would on a smartphone, add cards, manage payments, and view your transactions. Keep in mind that while you can manage your Google Wallet account this way, certain features like Tap to Pay won't work on a desktop, since your computer doesn't have NFC capabilities. However, this method is still very useful for viewing balances, managing payment methods, and accessing your account details from a desktop environment.